Armed Forces Special Powers Act of SPA 1958 has been extended for another 6 months all across Manipur, except jurisdictions under 13 police stations in 5 districts with effect from April 1. A notification issued today by Ministry of Home Affairs further maintained that AFSPA will not be in force in areas falling under Imphal Police Station, Lumphil Police Station, City Police Station, Singjamai Police Station, Patsoy Police Station and Wangoi Police Station of Imphal West District, besides areas covered by Porompat Police Station, Haingang Police Station and Irilbung Police Station of Imphal East District. The act, which often referred as draconian, will also be excluded from its enforcement in areas falling under Thoubal Police Station of Thoubal District, Bishnupur and Nambol Police Stations of Bishnupur District and Kakching Police Station of Kakching District. It also mentioned that the central government declares the extension of AFSPA after review of the law and order situation in the state of Manipur in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 3 of the Act.